Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and today I just wanted to share with you how I'm using this Tuesday morning box. I paid $9.99 and it says Craft, Card Keeper, and 6 dividers. And I know that I've heard some people say, sorry the camera's really close, that they picked this up to store their cards in. Couple of things. I don't typically have that many cards because I make them and give them away pretty fast. And what I found is I'm just keeping them in a cardboard box that happens to be about the right size. I made sure it was tall enough so the cards don't stick out the top. So if I put them in and out of my white shelves that you saw in the last video, the big shelving unit, that the cards don't catch as I put them in and out, that only the box would hit. And I was using a basket like this. Be sure you don't use anything to store your card bases or your finished cards that has an angle. Do you see what I mean? So this is not a straight up and down edge. It's an angled basket. So when you go to put things in and out, you're more likely to catch. And it has this netting kind of look. It's super cute and it looks great, but it is not good to store finished cards or card bases in, because I noticed that some of my corners were bent and it was probably because they were catching. So I had to break myself of that habit and let it go, even though it is blue. I'll use it for something else in my craft room. I showed you that I was using these bags and they're crinkly and they're horrible, but I like to keep a collection together. Then I switched a couple of them to the Avery job packet pouches. If you're not familiar with those, message me and I'll give you the link. These are quieter, sturdier, they stand up on a shelf better, and they're better about holding a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers or something, which I can't find any of these cases. Well, this one would hold that one if I folded it, but these won't hold these. These are from Daiso. I love them because they stand up on the shelf. I think they're $1.50 maybe a piece. And if I lived near a Daiso, I would pick up some more of these B5s because they hold a 6x6 and an ephemera pack and stickers pretty well. But none of them hold this. And honestly, if I set these aside, I'll forget about it. What I thought I would do is I'm going to try it out and I'll let you know. And if you see me make something and I forget to use the stickers, I'll admit it and you can laugh at me. So I thought I would use this box for things that either don't have stickers that are too tall, or I'll set them on top. I think this is way too big to use to store finished cards in. Even if I had tons of cards, it's just not a great shape for that. So what I've done is I put a collection in each section. So My Bright Life is right down here. I need to find the puffy stickers and put them in there. They're wandering around because they were out for that other video. And then I have the Bow Bunny and ephemera and glitter and brads. See, they all fit in there pretty well. I mean, even if I have like 4 things, an ephemera pack and a 6x6, and I put them in upside down so if they have any scraps or anything, it holds them. They might be brand new. And then this front section is my Flirty Fleur. So I have my small cards, my big cards, my flowers, ephemera, chipboard, stickers, and washi. So that's one thing I like about this is you can pull the dividers out and move it. So if you have a roll of washi, you could fit it in here. It also takes the longer pads, like crepe paper, the longer ones. You could put one of those in. So I think I might try this for collections for a while. I'm just trying to find a way to quickly identify a 6x6 pad that I have accessories to go with. I don't know if quickly is the word, but at least I could find it when I'm looking for it. I'm doing No Paper Left Behind challenges each month, and Daniela Hayes started it, and I'm loving it because it's really forcing me to use my stash. You should join us for No Paper Left Behind if you haven't. The idea is you pick a pad, a collection, something you have sitting around, and you use it in the month. That's it. You make anything you want, and you commit to using the entire thing in the month. It really changes how you look at shopping and organization. Because now when I look at a paper pad, I think, would I commit to using that whole thing? There are a lot of paper pads that when I actually flip through them, I like some of the pages, but not all. So that kind of changes it. If you haven't been watching that challenge, check it out. I have videos. Daniela Hayes has videos. Tanisha Kay has videos. Susan Tootsie Tucker. And Robin's Feathered Nest just joined us too. So be sure and check out those channels, and you can see you don't have to be a card maker. You don't have to do anything specific. Just use your paper. I would love to hear if you've purchased these boxes and how you're using them, or any ideas that you have for storing 6x6 collections. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.